Okay, haven't been able to find a place to pull over, but I did paddle underneath the bridge that connects the bay to the main lake. So now I'm out here by the dam. Again, this is Tappan Lake Dam. Over there's the spillway and the overflow. Again, it's like Sunday morning, probably around 10 o'clock. The place is pretty much dead. I mean, where's everybody at? It's a relatively calm morning. There's a bit of a wind. It's definitely overcast. There's not supposed to be rain or thunderstorms today. Alright, on with my trip.